why am I wearing this glass? Okay, so what's up? So in this whole tutorial, this is going to be a dopest content in my channel, because in this whole video you are going to learn a lucrative skill set that might help you out in future. Like just after learning this course, you can just go and check yourself out. You will have tons of more knowledge, great skill set. You will be able to code right now. So what we'll be doing is we'll be basically learning Python programming from basic to advanced. We're starting out from complete beginner to being advanced Python programmer who can code and understand the program, how it works, all these things. So stay tuned till the end. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, click that subscribe button right now. Just go and subscribe, man. Now let's spend this whole journey together. Maybe it will be 2-3 hours long. Let's spend this journey together. Get yourself Coke, coffee, whatever you like, Lay's or something like that. Get yourself all these things. Make yourself completely distraction free, like don't use phones, keep those in airplane modes. Don't think that there is some kinds of business or something like that, like you have work. No, take rest. Like separate 2 hours or 3 hours or 4 hours, how long this video is. Just separate that, and then you will be learning lucrative skill set. Like put in the real eye on it, this video, and I can guarantee that you will learn something out of this video. And this 2-3 hours or 4 hours long video is going to be the most worthful video that you have ever seen. So I think you are ready. Before we begin, like completely switch off your phones. Like you can completely switch off because there are notifications and things like that. Completely switch off all those distractions in your computer. Get ready with your computer. Like I am going to tell you how you can install also. So it's going to be from total beginning level to advanced level. So I'll be meeting you at the end of this video.
/downloads, and after this link will be in the description box below. After going to this, you can see here download Python 3.6.3 and download Python 2.7.14. so you have to download the latest version and download it and install it. It's very much simple, guys. I damn sure you that you'll surely install the Python. So after installing Python, go ahead and search. So search for Python ideally, okay, and there you will see like this, Python ideally, and here you will see lots of Python idealies, two types of Python idealies. So you have to click on this white one and you will find this type of Python ideally. Okay, so you will see this type of white one. Okay, so here we'll just put a simple thing. We will start from hello world printing in Python. So to print hello world, I will just show you a demo, okay, of printing hello world, and we'll go through this step. Okay, so I'm giving just a example that, okay, so you can see it's printed out hello world. So this kind of code is very much little bit vast. Okay, so here I have defined a function and here I have defined variable, and I have printed. Okay, so we don't want this much hard thing, so we'll start from beginning. So you just have to do is hello world. Okay, for printing hello world, this works well. Yeah, and if you want to print hello world in good manners, this is the best way. Okay, so you can see hello world. Okay, so these are the methods. So we will learn little bit fast also. So we will learn defining a variable. So in many of programming language there is var, int, okay, like that. But talking over var, there is no var in this Python programming language. We just have to denote x, and we have to just denote, okay, Kovid. Okay, and as I put x, you will see Kovid. And if I override it by 1, if I put x, it will return 1. Okay, so I want to store variables. Okay, so you have to just put a single quote or double quote, it doesn't matter much. Okay, but if you write like this, it will give a error. Okay, it will give a error because this types of value is called string constant, and this is string variable, and this is numeric variable and numeric constant, and this is the operator. Okay guys, so we will learn little bit also. So we will learn about opening a new file. So here you can see file and new file, or you can simply do ctrl plus n. Your new window will pop up, and click on ctrl plus s, and after clicking it, your new window will pop up to save your file. And I want to save this file in desktop, name it as first lesson, and okay, so you can just write here like this, and I will just copy this code and paste it here. And as I will refresh, sorry, here I haven't printed out yet Kovid, so I have to save it first, and I have to click on F5. Okay, and you can see hello world printed from this. So this line of code is not shown in this ideally, it's executed in this file and printed out in this. So thank you guys for watching this first lesson of Python coding. If you want more videos, consider subscribing our YouTube channel named as Coder Kovid, and I will meet you with interesting and great new videos in coming days. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next one. Open Python ideally. That's the main thing. We have to open Python ideally. And here we will code a new file. Okay, we'll save. We have learned this in previous lesson. Desktop, second Python lesson, and the extension of Python file is py. So I'll put like this, and everything that will gonna happen here will shown here. So today we'll just learn about graphic in Python. Okay, so if you have known about logo, turtle, I don't know what is it called, MS logo, yeah, MS logo, it's the same. So I will just do it here first. Okay, import turtle, sorry, okay. So here, and we have to do like this, turtle dot turtle equals turtle dot turtle bracket open and close. So what this gonna do is, programmers have coded this function already, this class already. So every time you import turtle, you will get this class here, and this is gonna, turtle means turtle, the turtle, this is function. Okay, as you have to do this, just remember, as I go enter this, here you will see new window will pop up. Okay, and here you can see this triangle is here. So if I do like this, turtle dot forward, and inside this we will put some parameters, that is 50, and what you will gonna do is, it will move forward 50 units. Okay, and as I put turtle dot right, and inside this parameter we'll put 90 degree, it will straight. Okay, like that. And if we will do turtle dot forward, that is 50, you can see, and like this, if we want to do this again and again, what we're gonna do is put this code inside a function. Okay guys, so in Python, defining a function is def. Okay, so to define function, you have to just put def and function name and colon, so colon sign, and as I hit enter, here you can see a gap is here. If this gap is not given, one tab, this gap is known as one tab, is not given, the code will not be executed. Okay guys, so here we will put all the code, import turtle equals, you can give any variable here. Okay, turtle dot turtle. So these two codes you have to remember. Okay, turtle dot forward 50, turtle dot right 90. So here, what this function does is, it can be executed time and time. Okay, you can see now it's printed already. So let's just put this above this function. Okay, this function, and we will just name this function, give the name of function. The giving the name of function will print it, what here is given, that will be print. And if you want to go back of this function and write your next code, you have to just clear that tab. Okay, so I will just copy and paste. So as I run it, you can see it's going forward and forward. Okay, so this was a step of defining function and just getting more out of function turtle. Okay, so your next my exercise to you in this video is that you have to make here 3 boxes and down also 3 boxes. Let us see if you can make. Here will be up 3 boxes and here will be down 3 boxes and 1 box. That is 7 box. And if you have made that, and then copy that code and paste that code in the comment section below. I will definitely check it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will meet you in the next Python tutorial video. Hey there, what's up? This is Kovid from Kovid. So today we're going to head over to data mining with Python. So data mining means to mine the data from a file in a Python program. So I made a sample program for it. So here I have made some data in CSV file, and here you can see subjects, name, roll number. Okay, so this is Excel file. So as I open this, you can see, you can see here, you can see it's printed clearly. So how we will do this? These all datas are taken from this one. As I change this one to something like Kovid, as I save and as I reload this program, it will display here something like Kovid. You can see here. It's very much simple, guys. This is called data mining. This is very much used in kind of data science with Python. So let us learn how we can do it. First of all, let me close this. Make a folder called like data science. I will put like, you can put anyone. So open it, and here you can create a new file with text document and change it to datas.txt, not txt here, CSV. Okay guys, so you can click on yes, and now it's changed to CSV file, and here you can create a new file called mine.py. So we will just edit with ideally. So this is the whole program we'll be coding on. So first of all, we will load this file in this Python. So Python makes is very simple to load the file. So I will put a comment, load/open the datas.csv file in the program, and I will denote a variable called file. Sorry, I will put it data. Okay, I will put it file equals, and the function is open. That's the function in Python to open a document. So we'll put a quote, and here we'll put the same name as of this. So it's datas.csv, and here you will put a module R. So how can you check it, the module? Let me show you how you can check. You just open like this. I will show you how you can check the module. So I will do print file, and as I okay, so you can see here mode is R. So this one we will put in the second context parameter as a second parameter. So now we have opened the file. Okay guys, now we will just take out the lines of that file, means data of that file. So taking data out of the file, that is datas.csv. So to do that, we will again denote a variable called data equals, and here we have called file. This one, file means datas.csv dot. We will first of all read that file. Okay, read, and its function, so we'll put two brackets, and again we will just split the lines, okay, to read that line by line. So it makes it easy to write these kind of codes. And if you are confused, you can check that file, is it working or not. So it's working till now. So we have take the datas, so just we will output the data, outputting the data. So here we will just do a print. Output means we will print it. So we will print what? So here, now you have to give attention here. We will denote a lines equals, what we want is first line, F line, we will denote like F line equals data 0. So I haven't taught this one, this data 0. I will teach you in the next lesson about this. What's this? So just learn that this 0 means first line, 1 means second line, 2 means third line. Okay, so here should be square bracket. Okay, so first line is the data's first line. Okay, so if we print like this, F line, F line, and the output is nothing. Why? It's giving error because here you can see here is no any line. So I will just put like this, Kovid, Kovid YouTube channel. So, and then as I refresh it, it will give us the output. Guys, this is very simple. Okay guys, and as we change the code here, means as we change the text here, Kovid Raj Anthi, and whole program will change, completely change. So it's the data science or data mining with Python. So it's very much interesting thing if you are thinking of going to data science with Python. So here I have how I did that. This one I will show you. My previous project, that was data mining. So how I did it, I will show the code behind it. You can see I have just defined a class, so I will just code it. It was just for fun. I was just doing fun with the code. So you can see how I did it. I just copied this, means I have just defined first line, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line, sixth line, and more lines, and I have printed like this. And how I did it, in the line called Kovid, that is first line, I will show you line by line, like this. Yeah, in the line Kovid, this was the line I denoted, that is 1. We take the character from 5, so that is 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from here we started and ended up to 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to here. And this was printed as name, and again as roll number. It was printed like same the line, but it was of Kovid 11. So here was 10, 11, and this one. That's very simple, guys. That was the code behind the whole program, and the program looks like this. Yeah, and as I click enter, the whole program will exit. So thank you guys for watching this video. This much for today. We will learn more about Python and programming in coming lessons, but till then, keep smiling, keep coding, and I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.
This video is on how you can make $1,000 per month by using Python programming only. And I'm going to give some tips, and I'm going to give you some strategies that I use in getting my $1,000 in a 1 month. So without getting said, let's get started. So earning money through Python programming, it's not that hard because Python programming has a lot of scope. You can see this chart over how much growth has been seen in Python programming in the last few years. Python has been a great tool to start your own business and make quite a good amount. And there are lots of ways that you can make money through Python. So I'm going to give you top 3 strategies that I use to make money through Python. First one, build a platform. I built a platform called texamas.com with Python programming with Django framework. This helped a lot. I started with this Texamas, and I am here, right here with you. And build a platform with Python. If you have some ideas coming over, and think about it and make a platform so that everybody can use it. And platform, if you create a platform, it creates a value, then it creates you the money. As much as you provide value to the world, then that much you are getting money. So this is like this. The value you create is directly proportional to the money you make. So number 2 method, the money you make. Next method or strategy that I use to earn money with Python is freelancing. If you have things like, if you have knowledge on GUI with Python and maybe web development with Python, machine learning with Python, you can help others. There are lots of sites that are providing your platform that can help you to get your first client. So in the freelancing section, you can teach others, you can solve problems of others, and you can do others' job. This is a good money to start with. You can earn from $5 as long as $10,000 with freelancing. So top sites of freelancing are Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, and Freelancing.com. So you can go to that sites and create your own profile and make some money. And next and last but not the least is making your own thing, like I am doing, right? I know Python and I am teaching others. So this method is called tutoring. If you know something, not only Python, if you know how to play guitar, you can also teach others. So these are the 3 things and 3 strategies that I use to earn $1,000 a month with Python. You can also choose this and make money.
Hey, what's up guys, this is Kovid from Kovid YouTube channel, and this is 4th video tutorial on Python which indicates you or redirects you to primitive data types. So first of all, I would like to remind you that if you haven't yet subscribed our channel, just click on this red button and just subscribe. To subscribe, you'll get like these stops and other techie stops too. So we are heading over this Python tutorial on primitive data types. So here are some of my codes, so I will show you. Okay, so here if I put some like this hello, and it returns me this key value that is hello, and this key value we tell them string data types. Okay guys, so just coming over and just take a look here, because this one is very much important, as this is a adult programming. So this is not a baby programming like as a function, and this will help you a lot. Okay guys, so I would like to remind you, if you put like this and you start a variable with letters, Python will not accept it. So let me show you. Kovid, and you can see here it says syntax error. This is because that 8, we defined a variable 8 that is not supportable by Python to make it variable. So let us do a little bit tricky the thing that we'll just put this symbol, and let me test this, and it will show me again syntax error. So this is the rule. So if you put some symbols like this and Kovid equals Kovid, so it will again show you syntax error because this is not supported. So to make it supported, you will have to put letters, and you can put numbers after later. Okay, so 1 2 I can put it, and as I do this, and if I return Kovid 12, it will return me Kovid. So this is the fact. So let me get over after this string data types. We have something like this 14. So you see what the 14 is. I think that you can probably know what is 14. So go ahead and comment down below, and don't forget to like this video. It will support me and it will encourage me to make more videos on like this. And let you guess, I am letting you guess. Just comment down below, what is 14? Have you commented? So if you have already commented, just I am waiting for you. If you have already commented, the answer is it called integer. That's int. So let me show you a little bit some tricky, that 14.5. What is this called now? Please go down and edit your comment and put what is 14.5. If you already have commented, please keep in touch with us. So those who have not commented, go and fast comment what is 14.1. Sorry, 5. So this 14.1 is called a float. Okay, so we tell decimal number in mathematics, but in Python we tell floating numbers. Okay, so I have a little bit of trick that many Python programmers use, I think, to change the floating number to integer value. So I have put this 14.5, that is float number. Okay, floating number. And if I put this in function, and if I put this, let me know what will it return. Go and fast comment down fast. Okay guys, so it will return me 14 only, as you can see. This is because just integer value is before decimal, and floating value is after decimal, and just before decimal and after decimal. So this was this floating. So here we learn that Kovid with string or any other letters, alphabets. With string is called string primitive data types, not primitive, string data types. And 14 or any integer value is called integer data types. And those who have decimal number, decimal means after point, and they are called floating number. And now last thing, a list. So if I put a list like Kovid, coding, YouTube, and if I put this is a list of data types, and I will put this in Kovid. So if I return a Kovid, it will return me list value. So this coming list value is, we know that is list data types. So hope you guys like this video, and this much for today. And I will be bringing more, and many more users were asking for my video, and I was not unable, as I am also learning some Python and I'm teaching you too. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed our channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you haven't joined the Tech Samaj, go and join. What are you waiting for? There you can ask me some questions. I will definitely see it, and the link will be also in the description box below. If you want to like my page, you can like too. And if you have some queries, you can contact me on that Facebook page. I will surely reply you. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.
Hey, you have come so far, congratulations, but please take a 1-minute break. So I'll be playing music, so get ready, get yourself pumped up, do some push-ups, right? And then we'll continue on our lesson.
Hey guys, how is it going? This is Kovid from Kovid YouTube channel, and today we are going to head over more advanced in function. So without getting said, let's jump right into it. So if you haven't yet subscribed our channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Go to Kovid YouTube channel, because you'll get Python and other programming related stuffs here. So today, but you have to join Tech Samaj to ask me questions and give me answers of my questions. Here we can interact with each other. So, and if you want to contact me in social media, the link will be in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. And then if you want to see my repositories that are written in this video, you can go to github.com/kovid. So the link also will be in the description box below. Without getting said, let's get started. So function is def. So we will call the function that Kovid, and I print out my name is Kovid. Okay, Kovid, and here. So it's alright. The code will run good. You can see here the code will, sorry, we have to again call this Kovid here, and then it will run. Yeah, you can see here my name is Kovid. It's running excellently. So it's just like a function that we have learned previously, isn't it? So this is a kind of simple thing, that defining a function and giving the function a name. Okay, so in this lesson we'll know about why is this bracket for. Think guys, why would be this bracket for? So the bracket is for arguments. So everything that goes inside this, we call it arguments. So in this case we'll pass an argument of x. Okay, so while printing out the function, you have to call Kovid, and inside the bracket here you have to call what value of x you want to give to it. It can be list, it can be integer, it can be float, it can be string, any primitive data types that we learned in previous lesson. So you can use any of them. So in this case I am using Kovid. Okay. Okay, so here an error, so here the error is gone. And now why is this necessary? So if I print it like this, the code is same. Why do we need x? Think this is because we are taking input from user and processing it. So here we have to process it. If I just remove this, so like this, if I remove this and this, and if I put like this, and if I do concatenation of x, okay, so you can see a mysterious thing here. You can see my name is Kovid, it's printed. So every time I change here, like Alex, so if I save and again I run this program, it gives me the key value, that is my name is Alex. So this is what the arguments do for you in programming in Python. So you can don't think that you can only put one arguments, that it can be just unlimited. It's not like one or two, it's not limited. You can use as much arguments as you can, but you have to verify, determine all the values for those. So way we determine is inside this printing one. So Alex comma, here we'll put and gender, so not gender, okay, gender, yeah, male, and here we'll put the age of 14. Okay, so and we will print like this, print my gender is age, and we do concatenation. So guys, one thing I want to say, that joining this string with string is called as concatenation. So it's all. So if I put like this and I pass y here, again print my age is, and here if I do here like this code will give me an error. I will tell you why this error comes. Okay guys, so I don't know why this guy is okay. So you can see it's error in 7th line and 4th line. So what is it telling is we have given the value of 14 in jade as jade in 7th line. So here we have 14, that is integer. We have learned it before, and if we look over here, print my is plus, so must be string. So this plus works only for strings. What could we do for integers and floats? So for that you have to use comma. It's just so simple, guys. Okay. And if I run it, yeah, you can see the code is working properly and with efficient way. So you can see my name is Alex, so as I change this to Kovid, and if I do F10, run, and that returns me as my name is Kovid, my gender is M. So this M is just a kind of freaky, so let us put male. And here, guys, you can do like this M. Okay, so we will do like an if then else statement here, and I will write a code in just a while and bring it right in front of you. So my code is here, guys. So hope you guys will like this code, because you can see if the code is the input if is M, so it will return me male, and if I put F female, if I put male here directly here, okay, so here it returns me value of what is that? So that is value of male. So guys, this much for today. These were some arguments video. So in sixth video tutorial, and we will be learning about something about if then else statement. So as we did here, so we will continue from this code to code onward, and you can find this code in my code repository of my GitHub account, so don't forget to check it out. And if you want to contact me on Facebook, you can search for Kovid Rajpanti or Kovid. You can find my page too, you can like them. All the links will be in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. This much for today. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.
I just opened the shelf for my best-selling book on Python programming that is called Python Programming Hero. So if you are like, you have done this, just go to that link. I'm leaving that link in the description box below. Go to that link, and also I'm providing free copies of this. So you have nothing to lose. I'm just providing free because I have many in the stocks, so I have to clear that up. So I'm just providing my free books to you. Just go to the link in the description box below and check that out.
Hey guys, how is it going? This is Kovid from Kovid, and today we are going to head over to Python if else loop. So from this chapter we have head over to looping in Python. So let's get started. And the main thing that I want to say is, if you don't understand what I am telling in Kovid YouTube channel, then don't forget to hire me, because I have been coach from last 1 year and I have good experience on teaching you Python 3. So, and the rate of hour per hour, I will teach 8 hours per week, and per hour I take $5, just $5, and this offer is just valid up to 17th of February. From that, the price will increase to $10. So if you want to hire, the link, the email address is given down in the description box below. Don't forget to contact me. So let's over to our series, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So we have learned about defining a function that gets an argument. Okay, so that's all. That's not a big deal. So let's not define this, and so we will learn about if then else statement. So what does if then else statement do first? So if then else statement does what is just put the conditions. Like I have to get 5 liters of water, and 1 liter costs me ₹1, $1, and if I just have $5, how much liter I can buy? So that's the point. So like this, if then else statement just puts the condition on you. Okay, so let's code. So if, so this statement starts from if, and here we put condition. The structure of if then else statement, not then, if else statement is condition and colon, and here indent, and then else, elif, and again new condition. This is the new condition. Okay guys, if you want to vary two conditions, then you can use elif, and here we use else. For else there is no condition, so this is the structure of that. So this is the structure. So now we will code. Okay, from here. Okay, so we take input from user. For taking input, we just do like inp equals, and we take input. So for that there is function of input, and here you can write enter your age. Okay, and here we put condition like if inp is greater than or equals 16, then we will print that you are eligible for driving license. Okay, and elif. Okay, so this is next condition we are putting. Inp is less than or equals 16. We'll print out sorry, you are not eligible for driving license. Okay, so here, and then else will return false. Okay, so if I run this code, it will ask me for name, age. So if I put 15, so here comes the error. Why this error is? Because here the input is in string form. So to make it integer, we have to just define a function that is int in the input function. So this works good. And if I put 15, sorry, you are not eligible for driving license. So again, if I put 16, you are eligible for a driving license. So that, guys, you can just, that is totally easy of using if then else statements. So here is your assignment. My work is done. Now you are to be very active. Okay guys, so I have left the link of my assignment in the description box below. Click that out, and there will be an assignment that I'm going to show you in just a while. and you have to complete that. Okay guys, so here is our assignment. So guys, I have back and a code that you are gonna complete that. Okay guys, so in this program you have to take input from users of their science and maths marks and print out the subject in which they have scored much marks. So here I have just simplified it. You can just write your code here, okay, and just remove this hashtag before this if, elif and else statement, and you can code and submit the assignment. Okay guys, the link will be in the description box below, and you should complete it because you have to gain more knowledge. Okay guys, thank you for watching this much for today. I'll meet you in the next video with complete joy. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next one. Hey guys, how is it going? This is Kovid from Kovid YouTube channel, and today we are going to head over to lists. So if you haven't subscribed our channel, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and if you like these videos, please give us feedback. So, and main thing that if you want to hire me as a Python coach, I am ready for you, just for $5 for first student. So let's jump over to our tutorial. So in this lesson we will learn what are lists and what does they do. Okay, so let's start. And for list, as usual, you have to declare a variable, that is, so I'm declaring as lists, okay, equals, and here to define the list you have to do 2 square brackets, open and close. So inside this we put the values like 1, 2, and to declare second value you have to just use comma to separate them. Okay, so you can also put like this string also, and float also. So, and if I print this list, if I print lists, you can see all of them are printed. It's kind of easy guys. Just go around and get your sale, or get your ideally, or get your IDE and do practice guys. Just put like this. Okay, so you have to do exercise with me guys. Okay, so after doing this, if you get these values as printed, so the next step for you is like this. So you can use anything, and so we will put some person's name. Okay guys, Kovid and YouTube. Okay, so here comes the main topic, that what we can do if we don't want to print like this as a list. We just want to print this letters. What do we do? Just use index. So index is from which index you want to be printed. So this is 0 index, this is 1 index, and this is 2 index. The index starts from 0. Okay, so here we print like this, and while defining an index you have to use the variable name and 2 brackets that are square and the index name. So I want to put first of all coder. Okay, so this is index first, so I will put this first. So if I run this code, it will print me coder, and I want coder Kovid. Okay, so that's simple guys. You just have to do concatenation, as we already know what is called concatenation, and do the same, that this is of 0 index, So we will write 0, and as we run this code, you can see it's coded Kovid. So I want here space 2 here after coded. So it's kind of easy. This is your game, like you should play around. You should just play around. Here we'll add space, and you can see it's coded Kovid. So guys, go over to your IDE, practice around, and just play around with your codes. Okay, so this was indexing. So what if we use if then else statement just as before tutorial? So for doing that, it's kind of easy, guys. If list 0 equals Kovid, or lists 1 equals coded, then we have to print successful. Okay, so let me test this. It will print definitely successful. So here we'll put else print false, and as I run this, it's successful. So why did I didn't put this colon here? This is because false and true are the Boolean algebra, so these do not need any of this thing. So if I do print false, it will just give me false here like this, and if I do true, and it will again give me true. And you can also do is so this much. So you can use true and false. These are the Boolean algebra for you. This was bonus tip. So we have done it. So what if we take input from user to guess what is in first index and what is in second index? So we take input like before, and first index equals input, guess the first element of the list, and second index input, guess the second element of the list. Okay, so after this, so we will just clean this over and change our code like this. And if first index is equal to list 0, or second index is equals to list 1, then we have to print successful. So that must test, and yeah, we have given a task for guessing the first element. So let's just guess the first and second element. We got successful. So that's our code, guys. So if I put like this, and if I do like coder here and Kovid here, it will print false. That's it, guys. This is very much essential, guys. The listing are very much important. So in next lesson we will learn about strings, for loop, and then after we are going to learn while loop and lots of stuff, guys. So if you want to be connected with Python tutorials, then don't forget to subscribe our Kovid YouTube channel, you can get free of cost Python videos. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next one with a new coding Python related video. Thank you. Hey guys, how's it going? This is 8th video tutorial on Python programming language. Learn Python programming. So we are going to head over to for loops. We are just at second level of loop. We just learned if, elif and else loop, and now we are heading over to for loop after completing lists. So previous video was on this one, so it was good, and if you haven't checked it out, just go and check the description. There is a link for you. So today we are going to head over to for loop, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe. And I want to tell you that I am a Python coach, and if you want to hire me as a Python coach, the email address is given in the description box below. You can contact me from there. The price is negotiable. We will talk there. So let's head over to our for loop. So for loop does what is just you have to learn the concept first and learn the code and implement in your real world. So what does for loop do? So we will put a comment, and what does for loop do? Okay guys, please hit answer in the comment down below. Otherwise I am giving you answer. Check it out. For loop does what is for loop does repetition of some condition. Like, what is the structure of for loop is structure of loop. Structure for loop is like this: for and condition colon and your code goes here. Okay, so without getting said and just keeping the theory aside, theoretical part aside, we will head over to our practical life. What we can do with for loop is just give condition, and it will just repeat the condition until repeat the tasks you give here in your code until it meets the condition as true. That's kind of simple, guys. Just try to understand. If I did here print hello world, and if I put condition as range 10, and it will try to print out this first and again try to print out until it meets the range of 10, and after it meets the range of 10, it will complete printing hello world. So this is the structure, guys. So let's jump into our code. So we'll just write for, and as I have told that range is a function, guys, just try to understand that range is a function. Inside this you can pass an arguments of anything up to which you want the number, or I want number from 2 to 15, and I will print hello world. Sorry, here is not 2 to 15. I want to up to 14, so I will have to write 15. And as I save this and as I run this code, so guys, here it shows me an error that it says that range of syntax, so invalid syntax. So guys, why this error is coming? Because that it takes for loop takes variable with condition. So here we have to define I in range of 15. So this defines what is. So I will have to put like this. I just kind of forgettive mind and I am tired of coding. So here I have, what I did is for I in range of 15, print hello world. If I do this, it will print out 14 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So it's kind of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So it will print me 15 times of hello world. And if I print the I, what will happen? Let's check it out. You can see it will print me number from 14. So what this is happening is it is going through 0 and it's stopping at 14 and not going over 15. So that's the point I want to say you. Okay, so this is what for loop do. So let's jump into a little bit of tricky and real programming and real world programming, and we are heading over. So let's define list as like this one. So, and we will just copy this list, and we will just not write this one, not indexing, but we will write for loop to just write down and print down all of these. So what we need to do is for, and we define any variable that like lst. Okay, it's lst. Okay, in which we want to do loop is in list. So if I put lists, and if I print lst, it will print me Kovid, coder, and YouTube. So let's see. You can see Kovid, coder, and YouTube here. Okay, so that's point, and it's going well. And what if I put lists? It will print me same thing, but it will print lists how many times the elements are. So just kind to understand, this is like a game. So I saw lst, and lst is every key value in here, and in list. Okay, so here there is 3 lsts, and print list is how many lsts are there. We have to print that much lists. So that's the problem, guys. It will print this whole list as of the number of lst. So if I add next to that channel, and what does it do? It will print me 4 times. So lst is good. So guys, try to play around with your code, and please submit me one exercise that if I put the, you take input from user, okay, you take input from user, and input from users of 3 number, and just loop through it, and just print out all this number just by for loop. So if you can do, please comment down below, and I'll meet you in the next one with Python related videos. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to share. I'll meet you in the next one with a Python related video. Thank you.
Hey, you have come so far, congratulations, but please take a 1-minute break. So I'll be playing music, so get ready, get yourself pumped up, do some push-ups, right? And then we'll continue on our lesson.
Hey dear, how's it going? This is Kovid from Kovid, and today we're going to head over to while loop in this lesson. So this is 9th lesson on Python tutorial, learn Python programming. If you haven't seen previous videos, you can go to my Kovid YouTube channel and check all of them, and we will be learning while loop in this lesson after finishing for loop. In this lesson we'll learn for loop, in this lesson we learned lists, and now in this lesson we are going to learn while loop. So what is the structure of, let us go through theoretical knowledge before we start with practical. Okay, so while loop, what does while loop do is, so before knowing what it does, let's know what is its structure. That is, so structure is our while something condition, and it's a little bit similar, not total but little bit similar to for loop, but not that much similar. Okay, so condition, and we put here code. Okay, so until the condition gets true, it runs the code. So this while loop and for loop are very much essential for game development and web development and like that stuff, guys. So please be serious about your studies and your tutors in this. So if you don't understand my videos and you want different coaching class, then don't forget to hire me. I am for you. You can email me in the email in the description box below. I will try to contact you soon. So what while do is, if I put here true, so let us do like while true, we print hello world. So do you think it's gonna happen? But I think it's not gonna happen because, but let's see what will happen. So I will run it. Yeah, it happened because okay, so guys, it will happen up to 10,000 times because we just specified this, and it's gonna happen just continuously. Okay, so if I did here false, and if I run this code, what will happen? Let's see. It will not print anything until the condition is true. It will just loop through this code. If the condition is false, the printing or looping of the code is stopped. So this is the function, guys. While loops, they're not function. This is the while loop that we are going to learn, and we are learning. So let us do like I want to print from 0 to 100. What I'm going to do is, we will specify a variable count, and that is a counter with the value of 0, and we just wanna do this while count is greater than or equals 0, or sorry, 100. So until, sorry, less, here should be less, until the count is less than and equals to 100, we're going to print count, and we're just gonna print all of these. So we will increment. To increment, you can use this shortcut method, that is this one, and this is equals. This method is similar as count plus 1. So this is similar, guys. So to reduce code, we can do like this. Just count plus equals 1. This means count equals count plus 1. And I will explain the just code behind it and what does this do. I will explain you. Okay, so here you can see. So let me explain you now. The count variable is 0, and until count variable is 100, okay, print count. If I don't do this one here, it will just print me the value of count, that is 0. You can see 0 up to just infinite time, because the value is always true. Okay, so we have to just do this. And why does this do is count equals count plus 1. So I will like to write like as usual. So here is count is 0, 0 and 0 plus 1, and count becomes 1. And again it loops through it and it prints 1, and again it prints 1, 1 plus 2, and it prints 2, 2 plus 1, 3, and like this it goes and goes. So, and we will like to just change the code and like just a modification in our code, that what if we do from 100 to 0? That's possible, guys. For it, you have to just do is greater than 0. You can put like same, and you can just decrease the value. So it's not working. So just a minute. So count is greater than 0. We'll have to just do it. Okay, I got it. And as I will do, it prints from 100. You can see from 100 to 1. Okay, so it's kind of not that much hard, but there is little bit of logic you have to use. So, and I will explain whole code that this is the value of count, and until count is greater than 0, so that's 100, we print 100, and count is greater than, and that 100 value is minus 1, and we get again 99. And 99 minus 1, that is 98, and so on. As this happens here, this is the logic behind that. And let's do like, if count is equals to 0, then we have to print like finished, like that. Okay, so for that we'll have to just do like, if count is equals 0, we'll have to print heads off, not heads off, it's kind of finished, it's good, finished. And else we print count and decrement value of count. So let's see what the code runs, and here it's not any different. Why doesn't it print 0? Because here is greater than sign. So if we put equals here, and the code is running good. So why didn't it properly worked? Because it was 0, and as it reached 0, the statement was false and nothing was done. So to make the statement true until you reach 0, we just need to write equals. Or you can also put a little bit of logic and just put like this, and the code runs well, guys. There is no any issue. But if I do like this, it's not the correct one, guys. And this is totally right, guys. You are always right. But putting the exact value is more good, if you know. So it's printed. So this much for a while loop, guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you do, guys, please like this video and share this with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Kovid, and I'll meet you in the next Python related video. Thank you. Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kovid from Kovid, and today we're going to head over to append list method. So before getting into the video, I would like to request you, if you are new to our family, please subscribe and click that bell icon just beside the subscribe button, so that you can get notifications of every video we publish. So if you want to hire me as a coach, as a Python coach, you can hire me. The email is given down in the description box below. You can contact me through that. So let's jump right into it. So guys, as the topic says, that append list method, so that is like we should recognize that it's about list. So I would like to open my Python IDE here, and just I would like to code something like lists, okay, lists, and I will give something here, 1 2 3. Okay, that's good. And as we knew here from our previous video, if I do here like this 0, it returns me 1. And what if I put another value to the list? That means we don't have to write a bulk of code that says 1, 2, 3, 4, and every time we change the code. It's not like that, guys. You can easily just add the element to that list. It's just simple. That is because append list. So let us use that list dot append, and here I would like to show you the structure. List means in the list in which we want to append, and dot append is the function, and we want to append something inside the list function, and what we need to assign and append 5. Let's see. And if I return that list, it gives me also 5, including all of them. So it's good, guys. So what if we make a little bit of tricky and good codes from this? What if we do choices equals, so I would like to code this in my IDE so that you can understand. So let's do it. And choices, we will just put the choices into a blank list. Okay, blank list. So blank list. Okay, I think it's okay, it's working. And here we take input of choice. one choice from user input and enter your choice. It's good. And after that we just want to add the choice into the choices. What we can do is choices dot append, and we can simply pass the choice parameter so that it would run. And so I would have to use my interpreter so that I can do easily. Okay. So guys, as I run this code, and you can see it says me to enter my choice, and it's good. And now let's us print the choices. Okay, it's good. So if I run this code, it asks me again of my, and it shows me the choice and list choices. So let's just put here Kovid, and enter your your favorite food. So this comes handy when you are writing like code that takes lots of list. Okay, your favorite food, mine is anything, guys, just for fun. This is coding, it's just fun. And I will write like what's my favorite food? Okay, it's my paneer. Okay, it's good. So let's run this code and see what's happening. Enter your favorite food like momo, and you can see paneer and mama. So it's kind of good. And if you want to know how to permanently save this value to this list, and it will not just remove after you close the program, so that comes handy in databases and SQL. We will learn after this Learn Python programming course. So this was the append function, guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you do please don't forget to like this video and share this with your friends that are interested in coding and don't know what to start with. So thanks for watching. This much for today, and I'll meet you in the next video. Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kovid from Kovid, and today in this lesson we are going to head over to our dictionary. Okay, so dictionary lesson. This is dictionary lesson. Before we head over to our video, I would like to say you and thank you for 100 subs, but I would like to say you and please join our family by hitting that red button below and just clicking that bell button right beside it. So without getting said, let's jump right into it. So let's play with some dictionaries. And as we know, dictionaries are that bulky books. That's not, guys. Dictionary is a source of reference. Okay, so source of reference means dictionary means there is a key and value. That means if I search for a dictionary and go for that Oxford dictionary, I will find my word and meaning with it. So what is the science behind it, code behind it? So we will just tell that rocket code. There is no rocket code behind it, and just I removed science and put the code. So there is no rocket code behind it. It's just simple. So it makes simple in Python because of dictionaries. So I'm classifying a variable that is dict, and the dictionary takes curly brackets. Okay, so dictionary takes curly bracket, and in first we put key and in second we put value. So how can we do? It can be anything: float, integer, and string, as we know in primitive data types. It can be any of the primitive data types. So I will put here okay, data, and I will have to give the value for it. So for giving value, you have a good method kind of way, that giving just a column and just writing the key. So I will write that data is the source of energy. So data is source of energy. Sorry, not source. Is the okay. Let's copy from our okay, let's copy from data Wikipedia or Google facts, and okay, and just is facts, and okay. So this is data. Okay, if I print out data, let's see what will be printed. So nothing is printed. Sorry, it's a mistake, man. Sorry. I mean dict. If I printed dict, what will happen? Okay, the whole dictionary runs. And if I put data, what will happen here? It will give me data. And if I put this whole bunch of code here, what will it give me, guys? So you can see it will give me the value. Okay, so I was just insane, so it should be like this data, because dict is a list. You can call dictionary, but it's a list, and inside list we're passing data, that is this. So let's see what will be printed. So it will print me the value that is stored in data. So let's store more values, and to denote many values, you have to just separate it by comma. So let's jump right into it, and Kovid. So I will just write my meaning, talented. So yes, guys, the meaning of Kovid is talented. Okay, and if I put here Kovid, it will return me the store value that is inside key. And then what if we want key after giving the value? It's so simple, just inverse. Sorry. Okay, so that's the point. So if we want to get the Kovid rather than getting talented, you should be running for loop. For I in Kovid. If you haven't seen my for loop video, don't forget to go, because if you haven't seen that, this video is worthless for you. I wouldn't be just revising all of the stuffs. I will just go on. So for I in dict, what if we print dict I? Print dict I. What will happen? So it will return me two values. And what if I just put dict here? Okay, it will return me Kovid talented and Kovid talented. How much it is here? It will be so here. If we do here Kovid, what will happen? Nothing will happen. Why? Because Kovid is in capital. So it will give me talented. Why does it give me talented? Because there are two things. Okay, if I put the talented here, nothing will happen. Okay, so here, if I do value, what will happen? Nothing will happen because we haven't assigned. So guys, here, if I printed I, what should happen? So I would like to just show you the logic behind it. If I printed dict I, that means what does it printed? The value of this. So what is the value of I here? It means that is the data. If I passed data that I passed data previously, it gave me this value. So it means I means data. So key. So if I printed this, it will print me keys. So what if I want just data? So here indexing comes handy. You can just do 0. You can see DK. So like you are just playing around with the code. Okay, this here is data and Kovid. Okay, so what is data? Okay, so let's jump right into it and make some cool things from it. And let's just clear this and just put the full form of some of the countries and NP Nepal. So I will be writing all of this code and back with you guys. So guys, I am back with this some of these countries that has the key of their short form and value of their long term. So what if we take input from our user? So country equals input enter your country's name, country's short name, and I will just give you the full name. So let's code this, and this means dict and country, isn't it guys? So print dict country. So what does it mean? If here user inputs np, country becomes mp, and inside dict there is np, and that refers to our Nepal. Okay, so np is not callable. Okay, so here it was just a small mistake by me. You have to use square bracket np Nepal UK United Kingdom. So guys, you can play with your code and just make your code, and if you have something new code, please don't forget to comment down below. The higher majority wins, and I will promote his or her code in my channel. So guys, this much for today's dictionary video, and you can just play around with your code and just go around and play around with your code, and just use for loop, while loop, and if then else loop. You can use like if so let's just write if country equals dict country, then we will be printing dict country. And else print false. So what does this will give me is, it will give me some kind of error, I think so. You can see false. So why does it printed me false? Because the dict country gives me the value of Nepal. Okay, so if okay, just a minute, and you can do like this. Okay, so if dict is equals to country, and it's here that it's like country, and play with your code and just kind of play with your code. Okay guys, so this much for today, and thanks for watching your video, and I'll meet you in the next one. Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kovid from Kovid, and you are welcome to brand new video on Kovid channel. And today we're going to head over to length excuse me sorry, length of a string. So what is the meaning? If you don't understand, please be sure to subscribe our channel to join our family and understand all about programming and coding. So what does a length stand for? Okay, so length means, if I put like this 1, then the length is 1. If I do 1 2, the length of the number is 2, because the characters are 1 and 2. So this is, and if I put Kovid, it's 1 2 3 4 5. So the length of the Kovid is 5. So how can we just get the length out of the string and those primitive data types? So here is the pre-made function by Python to make you easy to find the length, and the function will just go through the all the letters and count it. So here the function is called len, and inside len there are 2 brackets. Inside them you have to specify this anything. So you can see it's 5 and you can see it's not happening because, so here it's come. So object of type int has no length, so length is just for strings. Okay, so here you can see what if I put the value of Kovid inside this, and I do len Kovid. It's working guys, it's working, it will work. And what if number is given, we have to know the length of those numbers. Guys, it's truly very much, literally very much simple. Just you have to do ask user for number Kovid equals 12, and Kovid equals, and we will change the int into string Kovid, and as we do length of Kovid we will get 2. Okay, so if I change this to like this much, and this doesn't happen, but first we will do this. So here we will do this, after this we will do this. You can see it's 10. So it's working guys. So this was the function that says you about those things. And if I put len, and inside this if I put list, what can happen? So let us watch through it. Kovid YouTube, and there is 2. So how did it go? It went from this, how many elements are there in this list. So this is the function, guys, and len takes arguments that is in string or in list. So guys, this much for today. It was nice talking to you, and hope you guys like this video. If you do, guys, please like this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon right beside it. So thanks for watching, and I'll meet you in the next video. Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kovid from Kovid YouTube channel, and today we are going to head over for indexings. So this is our, I think, 13th video tutorial on Python programming language. If you haven't understand something, you can just comment down below, and if you don't understand and you want me as a special coach, you can hire me. The email will be in the description box below. You can contact me through there. So without getting sent, let's jump right into the video. So what is index? So let me tell first. So when I open my IDE, here you can see index means any value. Okay, any value, and as I return any values index like 0, that's the index, and 0 is the first index. So here guys, let me show you. So this is 0 in indexing, this is 0, this is 1, this O is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if you want to print out O, you can just do Kovid O. You want to print O, that is in first index, so you can say the O is printed. What if I want to print out the last element? So for that there is good Python skill and function that is -1, and it will print out the last one. Whatever you give, it will print the last one. At 0 is first, -1 is last. So let's do a little bit of tricky questions. What if we want to print devoke when I take Kovid? So that's simple, guys. I have specified Kovid in this Kovid variable here and here also, so I can do it. And double colon, that means from inversely, from backward to forward. You can see devoke is printed. So this was some of these cool items, and okay, so what if we do Kovid and that is 0? What will be printed? It's printed nothing, because it's just stop at the 0, and 0 index means k, and it stopped at k. And what if I did 1? Let you guys know and guess it. What will be the answer? Yes, the answer will be k. You know. Okay, so let's jump right into our Python IDE, and let's make some cool projects from here. So what we can do is take input name equals, so not not like that. So let's just do like okay, so number equals input your favorite number in alphabet, and we can just do is result equals number -1. So you can see if I put ONE, it will print me. Okay, so I have to print out result, and the result will be, if I put 1, that is no. Sorry, the okay, so why is this happening? So let's make some of this code. Okay, this was the problem. 1 no, and I printed from inversely. So what if I want just the last one, last index? For that we just have to do -1, and we don't need any of these stuffs. ONE, it will give me 1 sorry, yeah. So guys, this much for this Python tutorial. I'll meet you in the next Python tutorial. If you haven't subscribed and joined our family, please don't forget to subscribe and join our family of Coder Kovid. This is your channel, this is my channel. We are Kovid, we are Coder. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.
Hey, you have come so far, congratulations, but please take a 1-minute break. So I'll be playing music, so get ready, get yourself pumped up, do some push-ups, right? And then we'll continue on our lesson.
Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kovid from Kovid, and today in this topic we're going to just play over and work with pre-built functions. What are pre-built functions? The functions, those are already built inside the Python that we don't have to code, are called pre-built function. So developers spent lots of tens of and hundreds of hours writing those codes and make it simple for us to use their code as reference. So we can use their codes in just a one-line word. So let's see how to use those if you don't have. So if you know the internal and external commands, then it's okay. If you don't know, internal commands are those commands or codes that are already in Python, that is print, and those are the internal commands. So these are the internal commands. The external command is which you have to import and install inside your software and use it. So Python makes it very much easy so that you shouldn't install it. So you should just do import. So there are lots of things guys to import. So let's say import Python. So let's go to the Python official document and see what are the modules that we can import. So here we don't have that. Packages. Okay, here it's, I think so. So yeah, here it is guys, this import Fibo. That is also, this Fibo is function that is already pre-built, and other functions are like math and sys. Sys is also a function, and built in this one. So there are lots of function guys. You can see sound effects, echo, and lots of guys. You can use them to just modify your project. So inside this today's topic, we're going to just see what does import do. Turtle. So it imported me turtle. If I imported turtle, it will trace back error. So import turtle give me the true value, and turtle equals turtle dot turtle. We did it in our first video. So here I want to explain you what we did in that first video. So we first defined variable, then we just connected that variable to the function that is turtle. That means when this turtle is directly associated with the function turtle. So this function says that, and while you do like this turtle dot forward 50, you will be able to see the turtle going forward. And if you do turtle dot right and 1 degree, it will just turn. So like that turtle function work. And how the math function work. There is a math function, a pre-built function. So let's see what does math do. Let's print out the math. So it's nothing. So if I do sine of 90, it will show me syntax error, sorry, name error. So we have to do math.sine 90, and it will show me the exact value of sine 90. But what's this? This is not the value of sine 90. Okay, so we will just round off that math.sine 90, and the value is 1. Same as sine 45, the value is 1. So no, the value is not 1, because we did 45, it showed us. So here something is just kind of disgusting, but we will learn, and you can also learn from these online resources, like search in Google like math, import math in Python, and you can see all these in this python.org. So here we will see all about the math function, and you can see, yeah, math model gives access to the underlying C library function for floating point of math. So it is directly saying that it is the floating point of math. That means there is no specific value. So if I do bind of 10, okay, bind of 10, it will show me 10, 10. So these are some of the functions, and you can search for a function and just okay, so let's import some of these function. Time, okay, date, from date time import time. So this means from the whole function date time we just have to import time, or we just have to import date, and date equals date dot today, and print out the day. So here you can see 2018 February 12. So that's printed. So what if we have to print the time? Same guys, you can directly import date time, and time equals time dot time. I don't know guys, we have to see it, so it's not given here. Okay, let's print out time. Okay, import from date time import time, time equals time dot time, time dot now. Is it so? No. So you can find all these stops from the Python itself. You can go and check here their site. The link will be in the description box below. And hope you guys like this function, pre-built function video. If you guys do like, please subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit that bell button to get notified every time I publish a new video. And if you do have some friends who are working and struggling for their life of coding, then you can send them this video. So thank you for giving your valuable time to me guys, and hope to meet you next video. Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kovid from Kovid YouTube channel, and today we're going to start our exercise series that we have already finished, basics of Learn Python programming. So if you haven't watched here, you can go to my channel and go to my playlist of Learn Python programming, and there you will see all these steps. And after knowing all these steps, come to this exercise and learn with us and make your projects and submit it to me, and I will see, and you will see your knowledge. So in this video we are going to check some exercises you will do with me in real time. So the link is given in the description box below. Go to that and code with me. So in this video you have to write a program to take two arguments in a function and then find the sum of two arguments. So that means you have to make a function with two arguments and add those arguments. So if you have known about it, pause this video and do it in your own. Okay, I think you have already done, and if you have got answer of your code is correct, you are totally done. But if you haven't got that and you got blank, you just have to remove this hashtag and or comment mark for at the forward of test it, so you will get the answer after doing it. And if you have done and got the answer of your code is correct, then you are totally good. And if you haven't got and known about something like that, and here is the solution for you. So here what it's saying, that you write your function here, and note is write the function named as sum2. So that means we have to define a function that named as sum2, and as the question says us to take two parameters or arguments, we have to take two of them. And after getting that, we will just use return, the function return, that helps to just give out and return. So guys, this return function is used only inside the function. Okay, so if I use this here or anywhere else at the back of function, it will not work. So return num1 plus num2. You can also do like something variable equals num1 and num2 and print something variable. So that's also good. But to make code shorter and shorter, the principle of coding is make your code as much shorter as you can. So we made it shorter. So as I run this, so it's saying something error. Okay, so here it shows me error. We shouldn't do this. Okay, you can see your code is correct. And if you have also got this one here, you are good to go. If you haven't got this and you have seen the solution, yeah, and after seeing this solution, go fast and change your code and write your code and share with me. And if you have done it, just copy the code like this and copy and go to my videos like this, and if let's suppose this is my video, you just have to put here and comment down there, and you are good to go. So thank you guys for watching this video, and our next exercise is square numbers. If you can do that too, the link is given down in the description box below. So I don't think I will put, but let's see. But the next one is square numbers. You can just play around and complete it by my next video. Thank you guys. Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kovid from Kovid YouTube channel, and today we're going to head over to second of our exercise in Python. So if you haven't done first exercise, then do stepwise. Go to my Kovid YouTube channel. If you are watching here from here, go to learn YouTube channel and playlist and learn Python programming, and there you will see all of these exercise. And if you haven't learned, okay, if you haven't learned any of those, please learn from first and see my videos here. All of them are here, and do the first exercise that was of sum of two numbers, and come here. In this video we're going to do square of a number. So here what is this? It says that write a code to print out the square of a number. Okay, so it says that you have to define a function, and inside the function you have to give one argument and do the square of that number. So pause the video here and try to do. The link is in the description box below. Click on that and try to do yourself. Okay, I think you have already done, and if you got the right answer, it's okay. If you haven't got right answer, check it, and here you can see here it says remove the comment mark in the below line. So if you haven't removed it, please remove the comment and see if you get your code is correct. If you don't get, don't worry, I am here for you. So here it says that write a function named as square numbers. So let's do it. Let's do some freaky coding. Square number, it says square numbers and function, and it says that take a number. So we take a number from this, and here we just return num. And what if we want square? So learn about squaring. What is a square? Square means 2 into 2 or 4 into 4. That means num into num. Python makes it easy to not use that num into num 2 times, but you can do 2 times asterisk multiplication into 2. This 2 times asterisk means exponent. So num square, or if you want to find 3 cube of the number, you can change it to 3, but here we want 2. Okay, so and as I run this, okay, so here it says me some error. Okay, here I don't need this. You see, your code is correct. Guys, this was just a little bit of a thing that you want to know, and it's kind of easy, guys. Practice it, practice more and more, and you will be fine and fit with Python. Before learning all of my exercises, you can't do anything in Python. I have just created a list of these exercises, and after some times it will be very vast to you to learn Python, and there are lots of hard exercises too. So this much for today. If you hadn't got the right answer, then don't worry, here is your right answer. Just do it and just copy this code and paste it to the comment section below, and I will check and tell you, and the good code will get pinned and a shout out from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll meet you on the next one.
Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kovid from Kovid YouTube channel, and today we are going to head over to third of these exercises or project. You can also say project. So we are going over and over, and we are building our good impression in Python. So you can code with me side by side. Go to the description down below and open the link that I have given for the exercise, and you can code with me in right time. Okay, so in this video we are going to write a function to check if the number is even or not. So it says write your function here, and it says write the function named as is even and pass an argument to check if the number is prime or not. And you have to write the function named as is even. And you see here, remove the comment mark down below in the below line. So you have to just remove this and check your answer. So you can pause this video right now and go to my this coding page. The link is in the description box below, and code, and if the answer comes like your code is correct, then you are good to go. if you haven't got the code is correct, then stay tuned with this video. So guys, I hope that you have already done it, and if you have got your code is correct, then you are good to go. If not, here is the solution. So I have to write here print code is correct. This I will make this whole this thing you will get. And here it says write a function named as isEven and pass an argument. So let's pass an argument as num. And here you have to write code. And inside here, let's make some logic behind it. Okay. Logic behind it is one number, take number we have already taken, and check if a number is like, okay, here it says even. Okay, if a number is even, that means we can do like kind of freaky thing here. Just think of what is even number, like 2, 4, and what is even number? Those number, while dividing them, they remain by 2, the remainder is 0. That means we have a good thing here in programming, that is modulus. So modulus does what is, you can just get remainder out of them. So num mod is denoted by this, num mod 2 equals 0. We can print return to true, and else we can return false. Okay, let's write code. If num mod 2 equals 0, we can return the value true, and else return false. And as I run this code here, it will okay. So it says me that unexpected indent, where it is saying. So let me just remove all of these. Okay, here was an unexpected indent. Okay, the code is correct, is printed here. That means our code has run successfully. So guys, this was an exercise of isEven, and to check if the number is even or not. So this was for this video, guys. Hope you like this video. If you do please go ahead and like the video. It will encourage me to make more Pythonic videos. And if you want to connect with me and learn something about programming with Python and other programming, please go ahead and subscribe that button down below, and just click the bell button right beside it. So if you guys have some dudes who like programming and want to start their career in programming, send them this video using WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Skype, any of the social medias that you are in. If you want to promote my videos, you can also put my don't put like my whole videos, but you can just tell your viewers that I am here to learn something about Python. So thank you guys for watching this video. This much for today, and I'll meet you in the next one. Thank you. Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kovid from Kovid YouTube channel, and today we're going to head over to just opposite of the previous one. So in the previous video we did do a program to check if the number is even or not. So in this exercise we are going to do a code or exercise which check if the number is odd or not. So guys, it's kind of simple and you have to try it once. If you want to go and check and do with code with me in real time, the link is given in the description down below. You can go there and just code with me. Okay, so do yourself, and first of all read all these statements. First one says write a function to check if the number is odd or not, and second one says write your function here. That means we have to write it here. And third one says write the function named as is odd and pass an argument to check if the number is odd or not. And here it says that remove the comment marked down below in the below line. Okay, so you have to remove it and check whether your answer is correct or not. So guys, if you haven't seen previous exercise, go over to my Kovid YouTube channel and do subscribe and see the video. Okay, so do it by pausing your video right now. So guys, hope you have completed project and you got your code is correct, but don't worry if you don't get that. I am here to help you. So let's code it, this freaky thing. So it says define a function that is def named as is odd. Okay, and it says and pass an argument. So let's pass an argument of num and to check if the number is odd or not. In the previous video we did the exactly opposite. That means logic behind it is that one is check if num is odd. That means when we divide the num by 2, the remainder will be 1. So Python makes it simple as we did in the previous exercise mode. Num mod 2 equals 1. We have to print out, return true, and else we have to return false. Okay, so let's code right here. So if num mod 2 equals 1, we have to return true. That means we have to return true here, and else if the num mod 2 equals not equals 1, then we have to print out false. So return false. So let's check our code, guys, and it says that you can see here your code is correct. That means our code is going well, and if you did it right, then congratulations guys, you have passed this exercise. If you didn't do it, then understand the logic behind this. Okay, so understand it and code it in your own, and just practice more and more, which you can't do. Just practice. you will be obviously confident and get a chance to.
Hey, you have come so far, congratulations, but please take a 1 minute break. So I'll be playing music, so get ready, get yourself pumped up, do some push-ups, right? And then we'll continue on our lesson.
Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kovid from Kovid YouTube channel, and this is our next exercise on Python tutorials. So in this tutorial or exercise series, we're going to find biggest number among three numbers. So it's kind of simple, guys. Go, and there is a link in the description box below for you. You can code with me in real time. So go to that and complete your exercise first. Okay, and if you have completed, if you want to run, here would be this hashtag mark or comment mark. You have to just delete it and you are good to go. And just read all these instructions for you, and pause the video right now and just go to the coding section and code. So guys, I hope you have coded and got the answer of your code is correct. If you haven't got, I am here to help you, but if you have got, copy the code and paste it down in the comment. Okay, if you haven't subscribed our channel and joined our family of Kovid, go and join, because you will get many Pythonic videos and other programming videos too. So let's start. The first instruction says that write a function with 3 parameters. That means we have to write a function with 3 parameters to find biggest among them. And second one says write your function named as biggest num. That means we have to use biggest num here, and we have to pass 3 parameters that are num2 and num3. Okay. So this is our code, and here our codes begin. Okay, let's understand the logic behind it. So logic behind it is to check if num1 is greater than num2 and num1 is again greater than num3, we have to return num1. That means num1 is the greatest. Otherwise, let's check. Let's check if num2 is greater than num1 and num2 is greater than num3. We have to return num2, isn't it? So, and third, we have to again check. Otherwise, num3 is greater than num1 and num3 is greater than num2. We have to return num3. Okay, let's code that, guys. Freaky thing. Okay, so here we'll put if statement with some conditions of, okay, if num1 is greater than num2 and, okay, here it's a mistake, num2 and num1 is again greater than num3, What we're gonna return? We're gonna return num1. Elif, what if we check to number 2? Num2 is greater than num1 and num2 is greater than num3. We will return num2. And else, okay, let's do Elif. Num3 is greater than num1 and num3 is again greater than num2. Then we're going to return num3. And else, if this is not gonna case, we want to return false. Okay guys, see. Okay, here it says assertion error and 28. Okay, let me check. 24. So here, okay, we have to do this. You will get the correct code, guys, so don't worry. Okay, it says your code is correct. Guys, this was kind of cool, simple tutorial on how to get started with greater than and operators and AND. Okay, this was a next video tutorial on exercise number, I think 5. Okay, find the biggest number. I'll be coming with many of the concepts and many of these exercises to you. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll meet you in the next one. Thank you. Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kovid from Kovid YouTube channel, and today it's kind of a frustrating kind of code. Okay, I'm so excited to do it. I haven't done it before. I had just copied this question from Codecademy. Okay, so let's read the function. I have not just known the function properly. Okay, I mean code properly. Okay, so it says write a function named as largest n with a 1 parameter and find the largest of nth digit. Like if n is equals to, it should return 99. Okay, I understand. And here it says that 5. Okay, I understood. Okay, it says that define a function named as largest number and take n as a parameter. Okay, so if n equals 2, what can we do? Okay, let's do like okay, digit equals 9. So I will my logic behind this, because I want to do 9 times n, that means digit times n. I'll show you. And largest value equals digit into n, and we have to nothing. So we have to change largest value. Okay, largest equals int largest value, and we have to return large. So let's check. Okay, it says nothing. Okay, it says that remove the comment mark in the below line to check the answer. Guys, if you haven't did, please go and do it. What are you seeing? The link is given in the description box below. Okay, it says assertion error. Okay, 12 line. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It's good. Oh, 10. Okay, 10. Okay, let me do it. Now it may show me the okay, it's kind of good thing. Okay, let's do what if put nothing here. Now we have to do it. Okay, let's do like a return int of that largest value. What if we do this? Okay, it says me literal for int with base 10. That means I have to just do little bit of tricky here. Digit into n. Okay, what if I give here the largest n and I pass here 2? What will it return me? It will return me nothing, so let's just close this value and just run it. It's not jump right into this assertion, but let's try to do so. Okay, it will return me, so it should be here int. Here it will be int, and what will be printed? 99. It's good. So in line 7 and 12, in 7 and in 12. Okay, here it says 2 and equals 99. I think it was a kind of assertion error. So this assertion was made by me, so it was error, I think. Okay, so you see our code is correct here. Okay, you can see here your code is correct. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel. And what this function do is, how many times you put n, let's suppose that n equals 5, it will print me 9 5 times. Okay, this was the exercise number 6. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your coder friend and your families, and I'll meet you in the next one. Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kovid from Kovid YouTube channel, and today we are going to head over to a little bit of difficult exercise. You are learning more and more. So the exercises are complicated and complicated and complicated. So the link is given down in the description box below. You can go it and click there and code with me in real time. Okay, here it was a mistake. Okay, so go and do this, guys. First of all, remove this comment mark here and do what this instruction says. Pause this video right now and do it in your own. Okay, I think that you have already done, and if you haven't done, please do. And if you haven't got the answer, it's right, I am here for you. And if you have got answer of this one, your code is correct, then you are good to go. And copy these the code you have written and paste it down in the comment section below. So let's do it. Write a function named as toDigit with one parameter of nn to take a 2-digit number and then add their 2 digits. That means, like, if nn equals 25, return 2 plus, okay, here it should be 5, that is 7. Okay, so it says that take 2-digit number and add their 2 digits. So define two-digit function that takes nn parameter. And inside this we have to do some freaky things. Okay, let's first change nn to a string. As int value doesn't have their indexing, we have to change it to the string nn. Okay, so we have got string as nn. If nn equals 25, we have got 2 and 5. Okay, so return, okay, sum equals nn 0 first index plus nn last index, that is -1, and that is last index, and we will return to sum. Okay, let's see if our code is correct or not. Okay, it says something error in 10th line. Okay, 2 and 6 is 8. Okay, 2 and 6 are 8. Yeah. Okay, so we have to return int of this value. Okay guys, let's see. Okay, again it's error, showing error. So what's the error here? 2, we got 2 here, and we got 6, and 2 plus 6 equals 8. Okay, let's see if it's like, just a minute. I'm also coding right inside front of you guys, so I have also some difficulties here. And main problem with programmers are there are lots of bugs in code, so we have to reduce those codes to digit. Okay, let's see if n equals 25, and what is the print out the value of n minus 1. It's, I think, 5. It should be 5, yeah, it is 5. So that means it takes this. Let's check if I put this and change it to 7. Will it work? No. In line 13 it says error. Why is it saying error for me? I think I have done some mistakes here. Okay, then what is 0 here? 2, yeah, and we have to add those. Okay, so here I got this problem here. We tried to just add this string. Okay, so it will return me, so let's do it. It will return me 25 if I do this. You can see, but we want integer add, so we don't want concatenation, so it does concatenation while we just put this, and it's good to go, I think. Okay, so let's remove this code. Let's run. You can see your code is correct. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed our channel, subscribe for more exciting exercises like this, and I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you. Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kovid from Kovid YouTube channel, and today we are going to head over to next Python lesson, that is, I think, of 22 numbers tutorials. If you haven't seen 21 of the videos on learn Python programming, go to the playlist, the link is in the description box below. Watch all these activities and lessons I have taught you and come to this lesson exercise. So in this exercise we are going to check whether a person is qualified for driving license or not. So read these two instructions. The link is given down in the description box below. Go to it and code with me in real time, and read this and do it. So I will read for you. Write a function named as check license with age parameter and print out qualified if passed and disqualified if fails, and you can understand it. If the age is below 16, it's disqualified, and above 15 to 60, it's qualified. That means if yeah, you understand that. So pause this video right now and code it in your own. Okay, hope you have coded, and if you have got answer as your code is correct, it's nice. Go forward and copy that code in and paste it in the comment section below. If you have not got the answer, I am here to help you. So it says define a function called check license and parameter of age. Okay, so here we do some logic. If the age is below, if age is less than 16, okay, it's good. 16 or age is greater than 60. That means it has told us that above 60 is also disqualified. Okay, so return disqualified and Elif. Let's check if age is greater than 15 and age here, or age is less than 16 or greater than, okay, no, yeah, less than 16, okay, and no, and it should be or, I think, or age is less than 60, we have to return qualified. Let's check if our answer is correct or not. Yeah, you see your code is correct. So this was for today, guys. Hope you liked this tutorial or exercise, and if you learned it, go and code in your own and paste your code in the comment section below, and subscribe to our Kovid family to get more exercises on Python and more lessons on Python. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye. Guys, how's it going? This is Kovid from Kovid YouTube channel, and today we're going to head over to next Python exercise. In this exercise, in the previous exercise we did driving license verification, and in this lesson or exercise we will do an email verification. Okay, so if you want to code with me in real time and give that your work to me, please go to the description down below, and there is one link. Click on that and you can challenge with me. So here is the problem for you. Here it says write a function named as email checker with email as an argument. Okay, and argument, and then check if the email has .com at its end. So guys, you have to just remove this and do what this instruction says, and just try it. So guys, I hope you have tried this solution, but I don't think that you have got the answer. It's good if you have got the answer, but if you haven't got the answer, then don't worry, I am here. if you have already got answer, then you are perfect. But if you haven't done it, then I am here to help you and do it. First learn it and code it in your own. So it says define email checker function with an email as an argument. Okay, that's finished. And check if it ends with .com. It's easy to do because we have indexing it like email -1 and email -2 and email like that. You have to do up to 4 and equals .com and .com. You have to do like that. But Python makes it easy to not write that code. Just use if statement here. If email dot ends with. So guys, this is a function ends with. That means it says that email ends with .com, and the question is also same. So ends with .com, and it will check if the what we say, if email dot ends with, that means if email is ending with .com, then we can also do if there is @ there and like that. Okay, so here we will return to, so we don't want any vast code here, else return false. Let's see if our code will work or not. Okay, you can see here your code is correct. That means you are good to go. Here it says that kovid@gmail.com is true, and kovid@texamas.com is, sorry, not kovid@texamas is false, and kovid@texamas.com is true, and Kovid is false because the Kovid is not an email. So guys, this was for today. If you have learned it, code it in your own, and don't forget to connect with us by subscribing our family and sharing your knowledge with us. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next one. Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kovid from Kovid YouTube channel, and today we're going to head over to a little bit of real world project that we're going to make today. And it's gonna be freaky thing for you because you haven't learned it before. I think so. If you have learned it, it's mainly like for you. And being that type of student, or my subscriber, I can't say you student, but your subscriber, you can just follow me on YouTube, this one, Facebook, the link is in the description box below, GitHub, Instagram, Twitter, and every Snapchat and other social medias, and tell me about your projects, and I'll be surely promoting your projects if you are good and your project are good. So in this video we're going to learn how to send mail or email through Python. It's kind of a simple thing, but while the process of comes and of understanding, it's gonna be little bit hard, but I know you will learn it quite easily because you are my subscriber. And if you are not my subscriber, go fast and subscribe down below, and you can code with me and your capacity will increase. Just test it out. Okay, and just subscribing will not let you do more. See my of these videos and learn something more. Okay, so let's head over to our topic. And while sending our message, we need some functions that programmers have made. So we're gonna import smtplib. This is one function we're gonna need, and other function we'll talk later. There are 2 functions remaining. Okay, first of all we have to denote our variable from user and to user, and these are password, and these all we need. From user mean from which email we want to send email, to users mean to which email we want to send email, and password is of that from user one. Okay, so let me fill all of these here. So from we're gonna put our real email like this, and to user we're gonna put other email that I have access to, and in password section we're gonna import our password. That means okay, it's gonna blocked because I need some privacy. Okay, so over here we have to just first of all create a server. So we're gonna, and server will be named as server itself, and SMTP leave we're gonna use that function over here, and capital SMTP, and inside this we need two parameters of one of host URL and other is port. So in Gmail we need 587 as port, and host is smtp.gmail.com, and it's easy thing that you can remember. Okay, after doing this we have to log in into our email. So server.login, and inside this we have to pass two parameters, that is from user and password. Okay, and after this we need to send some email, but we need also subject. So we will denote subject equals from Kovid Python. Okay, this is gonna be subject of ours, and we're gonna import other, and from email.meme text import meme text, and from email.meme multipart we're gonna import meme multipart, and we're gonna use them over here. Okay, so msg equals multipart meme multipart. Just understand over here we're gonna use that function, and all this function will be stored in MSG. It's kind of easy thing. Okay, so after doing this and MSG, and we have to denote from which name we're gonna tell the user, and okay, it's from user, and MSG to whom we're gonna send. Okay, that means to, and there should not be any this case sensitive letters. Okay, to user, and MSG subject equals, and we're gonna select subject. Okay, over here we have done up to this, and now we're gonna put something called, okay, over here, and we're gonna just put this like this one, like body. Okay, so body equals hey dear, email sent from Kovid Python tutorial. Okay, don't mind, and we have to use this, don't mind. Okay, so we have changed the body, And now we're gonna msg dot attach. We're gonna attach something over here, and here comes the main text, and it takes two very parameters, so body comma, and it will take us plain. Okay, we have to remember this for this. Okay, so after doing this, we have to send mail. Okay, so for sending mail, it's easy, guys. Server dot send mail, and here we're gonna pass. So those parameters are from user, comma, to user. That means sender and recipient. And then we're gonna put something like over here. We have to declare a variable called anything, and I am making it as text, and we're gonna change all those msg to string. So for that, msg dot as string, and it's all done, guys. And over here we're gonna pass the value of text, and we're gonna just close the server. Close. Okay, guys, just this much, and let's run this code over here, and let's see auto extension. Okay, on line 11 from user. Okay, and yeah, it's good. Okay, I think the error is in this one line. That means start server dot start TLS. Okay, so this function does what is it change SSL to TLS. If you don't know, you should probably study about networking and stuff like that. Okay, so let's see if this gonna work or not. It should work. Yeah, it worked. And let's check our email account. Yeah, you can see over here it says kovid@gmail.com from Kovid Python, and over here, hey dear email sent from Kovid Python tutorial, don't mind p. Okay, so this is happened, but it's annoying that we're going like this. What if like we gonna put like this Cora over here? So that's simple, guys. Just you have to use a trick for that. One trick for that is just change this send mail to Kovid. Let's check. Okay, so, and first of all we have to run this over here, and it should probably work, but it will work. And let's check over here, and you can, oh, okay, so I have to send to other account. Okay, so I have to send to other account, that is okay, so let's check over here like that. Okay, the mail is sent. I think the email is mistake over here. My fault. Let's check this. Okay, guys, you can see this is done, but this doesn't work at all. This is because here you can see we have declared from user, so we have to change this also to Kovid. So
So changing these two will probably do the thing right here. So okay, it's done. Let's open, and over here you can see from Kovid. So guys, this was for today's video. How is this video? If you do want more videos like this, keep subscribing, keep connecting, keep tuning over my account of Kovid. And if you want to donate, and we need some investment, and I don't have to ask for it, but if you like this video and if you want to support me, you can be my patron and get some rewards by placing me some money. And you can see the page and you can understand what I am telling. The link is in the description box below. You can go and check it out. Thank you guys for watching this video. And how is our tutorials going? Please give the feedback in the comment down below. If you don't comment me, I will understand. I don't have to make some videos on Python tutorial. And that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye bye.
Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kovid from Kovid YouTube channel, and today we're going to head over to web scraping. That is kind of a good thing in Python, and it's used in many sectors like machine learning and AI, because when robots get, or machine or any software gets lots of information, if it's like web crawler, then it needs to pull out all this
Okay, so I think you have learned a lot of the things in this video. I hope that you are able to do something, understand the code at least, or maybe even like code something out of Python. I would like to congratulate you for getting this far, because frankly speaking, 99% of the people don't make this far. Actually, I would say 99.99% people wouldn't make this far. So I would like to congratulate on that, because you have made this far. And if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, click that subscribe button. So get those books, and this resource is going to be enough. Like, subscribe to my channel so I publish similar videos like this so that you can get notified. So I think that much resource is almost enough for you to scratch out of the comfort zone and do something meaningful. So I hope you enjoyed this video, you learned this video. I hope you have learned many things from this video. Actually, I'm going to wear this, and I'll see you in the next one. Watch these videos and subscribe here. I'll go like this. That's fine. I'll see you in the next one.